Hey, what's good everybody? This is JC. How y'all doing today? What I got before you today is a Asus ROG Strix XG32VC gaming monitor. I had the Asus TUF before and I always wanted a ROG Strix gaming monitor and I finally got one. So this is just going to be a quick unboxing. Nothing fancy, just a simple unboxing. And in my next video, I'm going to go through some features and some specs. And before going any further, I just want to thank you guys for supporting my channel with the subscriptions, your comments, your encouragement. I really appreciate it very much. I'm at 1,272 subscribers right now. I'm still growing. I'm still learning how to do editing and every other thing. But overall, I just want to tell every one of you, thank you for your support. I really appreciate it very much. So without further ado, let me just unbox this bad boy. And that will conclude the unboxing for the Asus ROG Strix XG32VC gaming monitor. Like I said, tune in for my features and specs, first impression videos. All right. Thanks again for tuning in. Appreciate your support. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.